In this video, we're going to talk about how to subtract mixed numbers with unlike denominators. So let's begin. 7 and 4/5, we can write that as 7 plus 4 over 5. Negative 2 and 1/3 is negative 2 minus 1/3. You need to apply the negative sign to both the 2 and the 1/3 to make this work. So now let's combine the two whole numbers. 7 minus 2 is 5. So what we have left over is 4 over 5 minus 1 over 3. In order to subtract these two fractions, we need to get common denominators. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction using the denominator of the second one. So let's make some space. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3. And the second fraction, I'm going to use the denominator of the first to get common denominators. So now I'm going to multiply across. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. And then we have 1 times 5, which is 5. So now that the denominators of the two fractions are the same, we can subtract the numerators. So 12 minus 5 is going to be 7. So I have 5 plus 7 over 15, which as a mixed number is 5 7/15. Now let's move on to the next example. 6 and 2/3 minus 4 and 1/5. So first let's break up the first mixed number into a whole number plus a fraction. And the second one is going to be a whole number, a negative whole number minus a fraction. So let's combine the whole numbers. 6 minus 4 is 2. And then we have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5. Let's get common denominators. Let's multiply 2 over 3 using the denominator of the second fraction and 1 over 5 by 3 over 3 based on the denominator of the first fraction. So now let's multiply across. We have 5 times 2, which is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And then we have 3 times 1, which is 3. So now that the bottom numbers are the same, we can subtract the top numbers. 10 minus 3 is 7. So we have 2 plus 7 over 15, which is 2 and 7/15 as a mixed number. So that's how you can subtract two mixed numbers with unlike denominators.